Hello friends, in this video I am going to show how you can do wiring in this switchboard. This is simple switchboard having two switches with two plug points. You can easily do wiring. See inside. This is input wire, one of the input wire. This is another one. That is one terminal is for phase. One terminal is for earth. So these two wires are input terminals. Let's say this is phase. The phase is connected to one switch, and from this a wire is connected. A wire is connected to another point. So these two acts as phase. So supply is given to this point and it is again to this point. Now the earth wire is connected to a point on the one plug here. Then next a wire is connected from the one of the switch here to one of the point in the plug. So basically when this switch is on, these two point will be connected. So now it is in this position, it is off, it is disconnected. Now it will be connected if you on. So here already we have phase is supplying here. So this phase is connected to this wire and it is transferred to this point. So already you have here earth, here you have what? Phase. But this phase is on when this switch is on. So this plug point is controlled, totally controlled by this switch. Again for this plug point, this is a switch. The supply is already there from here to here and a wire is connected to this terminal, this point. So in off position it is disconnected. If you on, this will be connected. So the phase is supplied from this point to this point. And in another point earth is needed. So the main earth is connected to this point. It is connected. So earth is already there. This is for the phase. But it is disconnected when this switch is off. If it is on, it will be connected. When you give the supply, you can control these two plug points by using these two switches. You can also give direct connection without these switches. But in this board it is given, it is simple and you can follow this. This is two switch. If you have several more switches, you should connect every point to by this type of wire. Okay. Again, if you have one switch here, this will be connected with a wire like this. And if you have another switch, then again this point will be connected. Then another point, same like this point. Another point will be there for other switches and so on, so many switches. So from there you can connect, what is this, extra of for connecting a tube light or connecting a fan or connecting whatever you want. Okay, so one of the terminal should be connected here, and what about other terminal? Other terminal should be connected to the earth. Maybe you can connect here or you can connect here. Okay, for example, if you want to connect a charger, so basically you should have one switch here. There will be two terminal. One terminal should be connected to the this point below, the point below, and another point should be connected where, here in the earth. Okay, that's all.